Welcome to frontline.io demo. You're about to be a qualified bid technician. Please say next step. Before starting to maintain, please make sure the bid is positioned and secured to its mount. Flip up the blue clips on both ends of the press to release the developer roller. Release the hooks from their catch position on the input side of the bid. Flip up the blue clips on both ends of the press to release the developer roller. Release the hooks from their catch position on the input side of the bid.
Next step.
At the following step will guide you to pick up a heavy part. Do it slowly and make sure you're adjusting its weight. Grasp the developer roller by the front gear and rear blue knob. Lift it out of the press and place it into the bidwork stand on the bearing slots. Caution: do not damage the encoder wheel on the rear side of the developer roller while removing. Remove the snap seals to clean with imaging oil and inspect them. Grab the two top tabs and pull toward the center of the bid to pop them off their pins. After removing all necessary parts, you need to choose if you want to proceed with reinstalling steps or to quit the procedure and leave the current state of the bid. Hold the snap seals up to the pins inside the bid and push to reinstall them. Reinstall the developer roller. Take care not to damage the encoder wheel on the rear of the roller. Ensure the teeth of the gear are meshed with the gears on the base. Lock the developer roller in place with the two blue locking clips. You are now a qualified technician and can fully maintain the bid system.